Imagine a creature so toxic, a mere touch could end your life. Now meet the poison dart frog, a gem of nature with a deadly secret. Its vibrant hues are not just for show, they serve as a warning. For within these tiny creatures lies a cocktail of potent toxins enough to deter even the most persistent predators. The poison dart frog, a paradox of beauty and danger, a testament to nature's uncanny ability to combine allure with deadly defense. Yes, that's right, the poison dart frog is not just a pretty face. The journey of a poison dart frog from an egg to a lethal adult is as fascinating as it is deadly. Let's delve into this captivating journey that begins in the damp undergrowth of tropical rainforest. Here, the female poison dart frog lays clusters of eggs on leaves or in hidden pools. The eggs are a feast for the eyes, resembling tiny pearls wrapped in a jelly-like substance. After about 2 weeks, these tiny pearls of life burst open to reveal minuscule tadpoles. At this stage, they are defenseless and rely heavily on their parents for survival. Interestingly, parenting is not taken lightly in the world of poison dart frogs. The males are particularly devoted dads. They keep a vigilant watch over the eggs, ensuring they remain moist and safe from predators. Once the tadpoles hatch, the real adventure begins. In an exceptional display of parental care, the adult frogs carry their offspring on their backs. They journey through the perilous rainforest to find suitable pools of water. These pools, often found in the hollows of trees, become the tadpoles' new homes. In these lofty nurseries, the tadpoles undergo an incredible transformation. Over the next 2 months, they metamorphose, shedding their tails and sprouting legs. Their diet evolves too, shifting from plant matter to a carnivorous one that includes ants and beetles. It's during this phase that they start to develop their iconic bright colors, a warning to predators of their lethal toxicity. With each passing day, these tiny creatures grow bolder and more vibrant, ready to take on the world. Finally, they emerge as fully grown poison dart frogs, their bodies gleaming with deadly beauty. They are now ready to venture into the world, their vibrant colors announcing their presence and lethality to all. Thus, the deadly dart frog begins its life, ready to play its part in the circle of life. The poison dart frog, despite its small size, leads a surprisingly active and dangerous life. You might think that such a tiny creature would live a quiet, unassuming existence, but in reality it's quite the opposite. These vibrant amphibians are diurnal, meaning they are most active during daylight hours. Their days are filled with hunting, mating, and fiercely defending their territory. Every day is an adventure in the wild, filled with danger and excitement. When it comes to diet, the poison dart frog is an opportunistic hunter. It feeds primarily on small invertebrates like ants, beetles, mites, spiders, and centipedes. The frog's toxic secret lies within this diet. You see, it's the beetles and ants, particularly those of the family Formicidae, that provide the key ingredient for their lethal toxin. Without this diet, the frog loses its toxicity. In fact, captive-bred poison dart frogs are non-toxic, simply because they don't have access to these specific ants and beetles. Now let's talk about love. The mating rituals of the poison dart frog are equally fascinating. Males perform elaborate calling displays to attract females. Once a female is interested, the male guides her to a suitable egg-laying site, usually a moist leaf or a bromeliad plant. After a few days, the female lays her eggs and the male fertilizes them. The male then guards the eggs, ensuring their safety until they hatch into tadpoles. But it's not all love and romance. The poison dart frog is fiercely territorial. Males will often engage in aggressive wrestling matches over territory, with the winner gaining prime real estate and the loser being forced to retreat. Clearly, the poison dart frog is a creature of habit, each one deadlier than the last. The beauty of the poison dart frog lies not just in its vibrant colors, but also in its deadly poison. This is where the toxic truth comes into play. The poison dart frog, despite its small size, holds a concoction of toxins within its skin that are potent enough to deter, paralyze, or even kill predators. Let's dive into the biology of this poison. There are various types of toxins produced by different species of poison dart frogs, but one of the most potent is batrachotoxin. This lethal substance targets the nervous system, disrupting the flow of sodium ions and causing paralysis and heart failure. Other toxins include pumiliotoxin and epibatidine, which affect the heart and brain respectively. Pumiliotoxin interferes with calcium channels in heart muscle cells, leading to heart failure, while epibetadine, a painkiller more potent than morphine, latches onto specific receptors in the brain, causing paralysis and death. Now, how does the frog use these toxins for defense? Quite simply, when a predator tries to eat a poisoned dart frog, it gets a mouthful of toxic skin. The toxins cause immediate discomfort and can lead to severe consequences, teaching the predator a deadly lesson about messing with such brightly colored creatures. But it's not just predators who have learned about these toxins. Indigenous tribes living in the same habitats as these frogs have found a way to use these toxins for their benefit. They carefully extract the poison from the frog's skin and apply it to the tips of their blowgun darts, hence the name poison dart frog. The result is a highly efficient hunting tool, capable of taking down large prey quickly and effectively. In this way, the frog's deadly poison becomes a tool for survival, both for the frog itself and for the humans sharing its environment. The toxic truth of the poison dart frog is a testament to the intricate balance of life and death in nature, a balance that swings on the edge of a frog's skin. So remember, the poison dart frog's beauty is indeed skin deep. Despite their deadly reputation, poison dart frogs face their own set of challenges. These vibrantly colored creatures that call the lush tropical rainforest their home are not immune to the perils of their environment. Their vibrant colors, a warning signal to predators, are slowly fading from the lush green canvas of our world, primarily due to two significant threats: habitat loss and climate change. Habitat loss, primarily due to deforestation and land conversion for agriculture, is a dagger to the heart of the poison dart frog's survival. These frogs thrive in the humid, tropical conditions of the rainforest, relying on its unique ecosystem for food, shelter, and breeding. When the trees are cut down, the frogs lose their home, their source of food, and their breeding grounds. It's like losing everything you've ever known in one fell swoop. Climate change further exacerbates this crisis. As global temperatures rise, the delicate balance of the rainforest ecosystem is disrupted. The increased heat and altered rainfall patterns can lead to a decline in the number of insects, the primary food source for the poison dart frogs. It also affects their reproduction, as their eggs need specific conditions to develop. But all hope is not lost. There are concerted efforts around the globe to help conserve these unique and important creatures. Conservation organizations are working tirelessly to protect and restore the frogs' natural habitats. Captive breeding programs are also in place to increase their numbers and reintroduce them into the wild. Laws have been enacted to regulate the trade of these exotic creatures, and research is ongoing to understand their needs better and how best to protect them. Education, too, plays a crucial role in this conservation effort. By understanding the importance of these creatures and the threats they face, we can all contribute to their survival. After all, the poison dart frog is not just a colorful creature, it's a vital part of our planet's biodiversity. Even the deadliest creatures need our help to survive. The poison dart frog, a marvel of nature's design, is more than meets the eye. In the grand tapestry of life, this tiny creature weaves a vibrant thread of color and danger. Its journey begins in the egg, nurtured in the leaf litter of the rainforest floor, before metamorphosing into a tadpole, then a froglet, and finally maturing into the eye-catching adult that commands attention. But this is not a creature to be trifled with. Its lifestyle is as lethal as its skin is colorful. The poison dart frog's diet of ants, termites, and mites, unique to its rainforest home, fuels the production of its deadly toxins. A single frog can harbor enough poison to end the lives of 10 grown men, yet despite its deadly reputation, this creature is in danger. The loss of its rainforest home and the illegal pet trade are pushing it towards the precipice of extinction. Conservation efforts are in place, striving to protect these tiny powerhouses of the rainforest. So while the poison dart frog may be small, its impact on our world is immense. Its toxicity serves as a stark reminder of the delicate balance of life within the rainforest ecosystem. Its struggle for survival underscores the urgent need for conservation efforts. Next time you see a brightly colored frog, remember, beauty can indeed be deadly.